Hi friends. How are you? Hope you are fine and perfect. We are going to learn perfective modal questions. In these questions we use the required modal verb, then comes the subject, then, have, and then the third form of the verb. Please subscribe the channel now. Like the video and share to everyone you know. Let's start.
Will you have gone to office tomorrow?
No, tomorrow is a holiday.
Could she have got first division without your guidance?
It's true that I guided, but she has good knowledge too.
Should I have kept the secret?
It's all right.
Could they have completed the road work in a month?
No, not at all. The villagers supported a lot.
Will all the students have paid the fees before date?
I hope so.
Should we not have come to your party?
Don't say like this. We are happy that you came.
Now we will go through some WH questions. In the perfective modal WH questions we use the required WH word before the required modal verb, then comes the subject, then the third form of the verb.
Where will you have gone tomorrow?
I have some urgent work in my native.
Who could have solved the matter so easily?
No one. That was really critical.
Why should I have paid money for him?
He is your brother. Who will pay?
How much money shall we have collected in a month?
Approximately 2 lakhs.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. Hope you are learning well. We are happy to help you. Be happy, keep healthy. Bye for now.